Hey boys and girls, it's time for Fundations and we're going to learn 2 more letters. Let's get started. Okay, boys and girls, the first letter we're going to learn today is C. C, and the key word is cat. And the first sound you hear in cat is k, 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 cat. You hear it? K, cat. And look at my mouth as I do. Is it open or closed? That's right, it's open. And my teeth are a little open, aren't they? Not together, not touching as well. Watch. Cat. Okay, so it's C, cat, k. C, cat, k. Now let's take a look, boys and girls, at the uppercase C and the lowercase c. Do they look the same or do they look different? That's right, they look the same. One is just big, the uppercase letter is big, and the lowercase letter is small. C is a consonant. That's why you see the yellow behind it. Okay, so our next letter, it's in that salmon color, so it tells you it's a special letter. And the letter is O. O, and the key word is octopus. And the first sound you hear when you say octopus is octopus. Now take a look at my mouth when I'm doing the sound for O. It actually looks like the shape of O. See, it's really wide. Octopus. Now, because O is a vowel, I like to do some movements with it. So I like to think I'm at an opera. That's how opera singers sound. So that's what I do. And I like to make the letter O with my hands like this and go, O. So it's O, octopus, O. You try. O, octopus, O. Very good. Hey, boys and girls, it's time to look at the standard sound card for C. And this C, cat, k. C, cat, k. One more time. C, cat, k. Your turn. Good. Now for the special vowel, O. O, octopus, O. You try. O. Good. My turn. O, octopus, O. O, octopus. My turn. O, octopus, O. Great. Great job. Because O is a vowel, we're going to do the vowel extension here. So it goes like this. O, octopus. O, octopus. O, octopus. Now while we're here, let's do I and U because we already learned those letters last week. I, itch. I, itch. I, itch. You, up. You, up. You, up. Great job. Hey, boys and girls, it's time for our drill sounds. So let's do large sound cards first. We'll do my turn, your turn. T, top, t. B, bat, boom. F, fun, f. M, man, mm. N, nut, mm. I, itch, it. U, up, C, cat, k. O, octopus, aw. Great job. It's time for the standard sound cards. C, cat, k. O, octopus, aw. T, tap, t. B, bat, b. F, fun, f. I, itch, I. U, up, M, man, N, nut, Very good job. Okay, boys and girls, let's learn how to write the letter C, the lowercase c on your board. I'm going to move it all over here so you can still see the C, but I want you to see the sky, plane, and grass line. So C is a plain line letter, which means you start your marker on the plain line. When you do the C, you fly backwards. You know how I told you the plane shows you fly that you write this way? Well, with the C, you start to fly backwards towards the plane, and then you go down and around to the grass line. And then oops, let me try that again. I'm sorry. So you start on the plane line, you go fly backwards, you round to the grass line. C, cat. It's almost like a full circle, isn't it? And I'm going to come over here. You're going to just see me because I want to sit in good writing position. I felt like I wasn't in good writing position, so I wasn't writing very well. So you start on the plane line, you fly backwards, go around down to the grass line. C, cat. That was much easier when I was sitting nice and tall, as I'm sitting in front of it where it's supposed to be. I'm going to try it one more time. We're going to do the lowercase c. It's a plain line letter. You fly backwards on the plane line, go down and around to the grass line. C, cat, k. Great job. Now, let's do the special vowel letter, the O. O is also a plain line letter. You start on the plane line, trace back, then go down to the grass line, and around back up to the plane line. O, octopus, ah. Start at the plane line, go back and go down and around the grass line, back up to the plane line. O, octopus, ah. One more time, go on the plane line, you fly backwards, you go down to the grass line and back around to the plane line. O, octopus, ah. Great job, boys and girls. You can practice writing C and O for me and learn how to do C and O. All right? Boys and girls, great job. Boys and girls, so for this week, we're learning the letter C, cat, k. O, octopus, aw. They are plain line letters, but they're down here on this one because they are plain line rounds letters. You have to make a circle with that. Okay, great job, boys and girls. I'll see you tomorrow.